this is Mike and Tristan from Red Forest Paintball. This time, instead of me getting shot, it's him. And last time, Bailey was shooting me.
Scared.
Yeah, he's scared.
Scared.
He hasn't tried the vest yet. He has the same one as me. So I'm just going to take a test fire, see if my red dot's accurate. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's accurate. Now we're ready to fire. You ready?
Fuck yes. No.
Tell me when you're ready.
Damn it, I don't want to get shot no more.
Just get ready.
Bridge, shoot my back. No, I might hit my head.
Ready?
That's just sissy.
It's not gonna hurt. You ready?
No, I don't have it. Damn it.
What?
I'm such a fucking coward. Oh.
What?
You should have just shot me for the test fire. Wait, what happened to the zipper?
It's not fast. I don't have lots of PSI left.
Dude, shoot my back.
Okay.
Oh! Oh, you hear the back of the neck, you douche.